Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fauzan Febriansyah. NPME 2341112. And today I will be presenting about international global issue. In this presentation, we will explore several major challenges that the world is currently facing and why understanding this issue is important of all of us for all of us. Okay, next. Before we go into each issue, it is important to understand that global problems are interconnected. Environmental, social, economic, and political challenges all influence one another. Because this issue affect every country, the best solutions must come from cooperations, awareness, and collective actions. And through this presentation, we will look at some of the most urgent problems and why they matter of our future. Okay, next. The first major issue is climate change. Climate change is driven mainly by greenhouse gas emission and large-scale deforestation. As a result, we were seeing rising sea levels, melting glaciers, unpredictable seasons, and more extreme weather events. If climate change continues unchecked, it will threaten ecosystem, biodiversity, and the survival of many communities worldwide. This is why environmental protection is one of the world's top priorities. Okay, next. And another global issue is poverty and inequality. In while some countries continues to grow rapidly, millions of people still live in extreme poverty. We see a major gap between developed and developing countries, and even within cities where wealth is often concentrated in urban centers. To achieve global progress, we need fair access to education, jobs, and economic opportunities for everyone. Okay, next. The next issue involves global health. The COVID-19 pandemic showed us how vulnerable the world can be. Many healthcare systems struggled due to limited resource and unequal access to treatment and slow response. Global health issues affect societies not only medically but also socially and economically. Improving health security, cooperation, and medical access is essential for global stability. Next, armed conflict continues to cause suffering in many regions. Wars on the political instability displace millions of people, forcing them to flee their homes. These crises often result in human rights violations such as lack of safety, freedom, and access to basic needs. To protect human dignity, nations must work together to promote peace, justice, and humanitarian support. Okay, next. In conclusion, international global issue like climate change, poverty, health crisis, and conflict are challenges that affect everyone. No single country can solve them alone. By raising awareness, strengthening cooperations, and taking collection action, we can build a more sustainable, fair, and peaceful world. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.